Diamond Bliss, it's your girl Krista Renee coming at you with another video. Today I will be doing an unboxing video. I just received the video creator kit, which it includes the Canon G7X Mark II. I'm really excited to be able to use this camera to start vlogging, to bring you guys better quality to my videos, and you know, just to feel like a professional YouTuber like anybody else would want. So yes, I've worked long and hard to raise the money to earn this camera. It is quite pricey, but I believe it's well worth it. If you're interested in seeing the unboxing of this video creator kit, then stay tuned. So here we have the video creator kit by Canon. I like the boxing on this. It's really nice. Here on the side, it shows what actually comes in the box, which it comes with the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. It also comes with the wrist strap, a battery pack, a battery charger. It also comes with a mini tripod, a 32 gigabyte memory card, and an extra battery pack. So that is awesome. All right. So now let's get into opening the package. All right, so let's get into opening this package. Okay. So I have the box open. So it comes with the 32 gigabyte SanDisk Ultra memory card. Okay. It also comes with this Manfrotto mini tripod. You can hold it, you can stand it up. Looks like you can switch it in different angles. Yeah. This looks like the one that most YouTubers have. So I'm assuming it is great quality. Okay, we're gonna do that last. It comes with the extra Canon battery, which I love, because when you order extra battery, sometimes they don't always have the original battery. They send you a universal battery, and I would rather the original battery, so good thing it come with an extra one. Okay, so we're gonna move this box out of the way. And now we're left with this baby here. Yes, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. So this is the box that comes with it. Everything you see here comes inside the video creator kit. The 32 gig memory card, the mini tripod, the extra battery, and of course, the G7X Mark II itself. So let's get into opening that box. Okay. So let's see what comes inside this box here. Of course, you have the warranty and registration. Guys, please be sure to register your cameras. That is very important. Do not throw that away, and keep your warranty in case anything happens to your camera. Of course, I got an extra warranty with Geek Squad at Best Buy for an extra, I believe, $60. So, yeah. The manual, of course, you're going to need that to show you how to work all the functions on your camera. Okay. We have the wrist strap, which comes in handy for when you want to carry it on your wrist so that you don't drop it. It comes with this battery charger. Let's take that out of the pack. Nice size battery charger. Plug it into your wall. Travel. That's great for travel, actually. Perfect. And here is the original battery that comes with your camera. So yes, you have two, which is awesome because when you're vlogging and when you're traveling, you always want to have at least one extra battery so that you're prepared. Okay, and so what you've all been waiting for. The camera comes in this little styrofoam thing here. Bear with me. Like I said, I'm using one hand here. Hold on. I might have to... Give me a second. And here she is. The Canon G7X. Look at that. The Canon G7X Mark II. It's beautiful. This is what it looks like in the back. This is what the back of it looks like. Yes. This camera is really gorgeous, guys. You see how it extends out? Yes, it extends out. You can also bring it up. Yes. So this is all that comes in the second box. The camera itself, the charger, another battery, manual, and of course, your warranty and registration papers. Again, guys, I cannot wait to start using this camera and bringing you guys great quality. And yeah, look forward to more vlogging videos and such. Here's how she looks on the tripod. Nice. Stands up as well. Looks very nice and professional sitting there. I love it. So yes. Here it is with the video viewer flipped up. She is absolutely beautiful. Now, I did get something that did not come with the kit, but I felt the need to get it because I do plan to do a lot of recording and vlogging. I bought an additional memory card, 128 gigabyte, so that I can have it for a while and not worry about having memory to record. So you might want to do that just to have some extra memory. But if you're good with the 32 gigabyte, then that's fine. Well, guys, that was the end of my unboxing video. Stay tuned for more amazing videos up to come, and check out some of my old videos that I already have posted. And until next time, enjoy peace, spread love, and be blessed. Peace.